Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about abbreviations. Abbreviations are the shortened form of words or phrases. Let's see some commonly used abbreviations.
ASAP,
As soon as possible,
ATM,
automatic teller machine,
BRB,
be right back,
DOB,
date of birth,
DIY,
do it yourself,
ICU,
intensive care unit,
LOL,
laughing out loud.
PTO,
Please turn over.
POV,
Point of view.
RIP,
Rest in peace.
CST,
Central Standard Time.
BTW,
By the way,
FYI,
for your information,
ETA.
estimated time of arrival. Now, you guys tell me what will be the full form of these two words VIP, RSVP. Thank you so much.